Hi everybody, it's me again. So what I got over here is I've got an alternator. It's over 90 amps when it's spinning. I got an electric motor over here, and well, it's going to be a alternator generator, more or less, at over 90 amps. That's RPM that needs to be that the alternator needs to be run at is a little over 1500 RPM. Now, I'm achieving a little over 3000 RPM. What I simply did was I put a larger pulley than this pulley over here. This one's 5 inches, and this one's about 2.5 inches. It's about 2.5 inches. I believe this is, I'm just going to do this one hand over here. Use one hand. So this one says 5 inches, and that one's about 2 3/4 inches. So like 1770. So 1770 at its RPM, which is like 2.5 times that. We're into a little bit over 3000 RPM. I'm going to show you what the RPM is in the next little bit. But and that will excite the alternator with the battery as it runs in the car. So this is just a test over here to see how the generator is going to work. And I've got one of these over here, an RPM tester over here that you can actually see. And so let's check it out. So I'm doing this all one hand, so just bear with me. And you're going to see the RPM, and you're going to see how it's going to work. I don't have the battery hooked up yet, but this is the first test. All right, so I'm going to 34, 3,400 RPM. 34. And it's not that loud either. Not that loud at all, as you can tell. So we got 34. That's at 3,400 RPM. That's